Show and tell. I'm on display for all you fuckers to see. Show and tell.
I don't want lunchbox friends, no. I want someone who understands, oh. Come to my house and start again. Friendship that will last forever.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Currently it's a Friday night, it's 11 p.m. and for today I just decided to stay home and do a lot of homework, which I've been stressing about because, well, that's what school does for you. It stresses you out until you literally cannot function as a human being. So welcome back you guys, and if you've never seen my face or any of my videos, you can always subscribe down below. It's completely free and you'll get to see my face every week. So, but seriously though, like, subscribe. Anyways, for today's video, I got inspired by the most anticipated album that I've been waiting for, which was the Melanie Martinez one. I do believe she did disappear for a few years, and you know, like the whole thing that happened with her, and it ended up being like not true. So I feel like a lot of people did hate her for that. And if I'm being honest with you guys, her apology wasn't that very convincing to me either, because I'm like, they're accusing you of this and this is your apology. So it made me wonder too, like, I'm gonna be honest. But I was like, really, Melanie, like, I was hoping for you for you to do like a better apology, you know? Like, don't get me wrong, like, I wouldn't know what to do if someone came at me like that. But I mean, it is what it is. So she did her thing. She rested for a few years, but not really, because she was working on this album. But then she came back and she literally just came with all of it, and I feel like she's just ready to give us more and more, which I'm so excited for, because I really do love her music and her sound and just her creative aspect of her. I feel like she's not like your typical artist, which is what I like, and I think it's amazing that she got to produce and just go crazy with her ideas that said, I want to do this, let's do it. So I completely loved it, you guys, and it got me inspired to do this makeup tutorial. And also, I've seen this trend of pastel colors be used in the New York Fashion Week, which is currently going on right now, and I was like, perfect. So don't be discouraged to wear pastel colors, because you may never know, you might like it. And plus, makeup is literally, you can express yourself and just be yourself, and no one can judge you, because who the heck are they to judge you? Like, no one. So hopefully you guys like this video, and without any further ado, alright guys, so her eyes are prepped and ready to go. For today's video, I'm using Take Me Back to Brazil from BH Cosmetics. The first color I'm using is this yellow, and I'll place it right in the inner corner. Then I'll do this pretty pastel pink, and notice that I'm pressing in the eyeshadow instead of blending it. Next is this pretty baby blue color. And right in the outer corner, I'm placing this green color. To blend and not have any harsh lines, I'm taking this pink and blending it softly all over the crease, nothing too intense. For the eyebrow bone, I'm taking this metallic white, and it's absolutely stunning. To finish this whole look, I'm taking this Anastasia palette and taking Trust Issues and putting it all over the lid, which gave me like the most beautiful glitter top. I mean, just look at this. Then I'm taking this wipey and cleaning any fallout of the eyeshadows. This whole look also really focuses on eyelashes, so I'm gonna use my Tarte mascara and cover them completely. Make sure that you get all the way into the roots. Then I'm using this eyelash separator to get them even more defined. And of course, we can't forget the eyelashes. Moving into the face, I'm spraying some dewy setting spray and blending it with my blender. For my primer, it's going to be my BH Cosmetic one. For today's foundation, I'm using the Fenty one again. And when I'm applying this foundation, I like to spray a little bit of dewy setting spray so everything can blend beautifully and just so it can literally stay in the skin for as long as possible. For the under eyes, I'm using this peach corrector from NARS to minimize the dark circles. Then taking my Maybelline concealer, I'm going to highlight all the key parts of her face. And I'm gonna be setting everything with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Then I'm gonna bake for a few minutes, and that's only to finish the under eyes. So everything that we did on top, we're just gonna do the same thing, but this time at the bottom. Then taking a clean brush, I'm gonna blend everything so again, we don't have any harsh lines. Then we're gonna dust off all the powder. For the inner corner, again, I'm taking my Anastasia palette and using sand in the inner corner of the eyes. And to finish this whole look, I'm gonna be using my NYX white eyeliner pencil. Time for some bronzer and warm up the skin. And also to make her cheeks a little bit more defined, I went in with my NYX contour palette, and I really like to do it like right in the hollow of the cheeks. For blush, I'm using this really pretty pink from Wet n Wild, and it's called Fantastic Plastic Pink, which is honestly like a Barbie pink. For highlight, I'm using Golden Flower Crown. And obviously you can see that I did go a little bit crazy with the highlight. But I mean, it looks like her skin is literally wet, you guys, which is what I love. And then I like to go back with my blush brush. And then I just like to like blend it even more so everything can be very cohesive. For the lips, I'm gonna be using Tea Rose from e.l.f. And then I'm gonna top it off with MAC's Gloss. And for a little bit more shine and shimmer, we're gonna be using Snow Day lip gloss from ColourPop. And lastly, we're gonna do the little gems on the eyes. And you can literally just go crazy with them. You can put them just in the inner corners of the eyes. It's really up to you. But that is it for this whole makeup tutorial, you guys.
Playing hide and seek, it's getting hard to breathe under the sheets with you. I don't wanna play no games, I'm tired of always chasing after you.
So that was it, you guys. Hopefully you guys liked this video, and if you guys did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe down below. Please comment down below and tell me which song was your favorite out of the whole album. Sorry that I did take a while to upload. It's because I did film another video, but then Melanie came out with this release. So then I filmed this video. So then I'm like, oh my god, like what video do I do? Should I do this one? Should I do that one? And then I just got stuck in my own head. And finally I was like, no, let's do the Melanie Martinez one. So thank you guys so very much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! banging you.
Daddy. Don't put that in the bloopers. Start over.
Pretend like your dad. Cause I'm Jump. Get it, daddy.
I'm ready. Ooh, this video is fun, huh?
Bloopers.
No.
For sure.
You guys don't know the lesson that I know.
Messy.